Every one of these creators is selling the exact same bottle and not one of them is real. They're all AI. I made them this morning from one product link and a couple of prompts. A real UGC creator runs you $400 to $500 a video. You need a stack of videos to find one that actually works. But these ones only cost you a few dollars. Let me show you exactly how. And the reason why this matters for ecom brands this year is because most people can write a decent ad script. But the problem is everything that comes after that. Hiring a creator costs hundreds, booking a shoot takes weeks, and editing eats hours of your time. And by the time you have one ad, your competitors have shipped 10. That production step is exactly what these AI tools take off your plate. And that's why I'm using Creatify, because it's the best known AI ad tool right now and is built for this. Now, one of the most powerful features is Creatify's agent. You talk to it like ChatGPT or Claude, and you drop in your product, tell it what you want, and it researches your brand, looks at what's already winning in your category. It writes the script, casts the AI avatar, generates the voice, and then it hands you finished, ready to run ads in minutes. Creatify isn't just a wrapper that uses random models. Claude Opus is the default brain. So when it researches and writes your scripts, your ads are going to sound like an actual person instead of a template and have high quality research. I've dropped a link down below so you can actually follow along if you want to. All right, so now let's switch to my laptop because the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to research what's already winning. So first I'm going to go into Creatify, and then I'm going to open the agent. And then while I'm in agent, I'm then going to paste in the product URL. Now I'm using the Stanley Quencher. And once we've pasted in and we're adding your product within Creatify's agent, it's going to read this link, look through the whole store website and extract all the information it needs. So you just want to wait a few minutes for it to fully process. Then once it's fully processed, you want to select it and then hit use this product. And as you can see, it's now uploaded into the agent's chat. But before I build anything, what I want to do now is I want to research what's already working when it comes to content. That's because I want to model a proven format instead of having to guess. So I'm going to paste in this prompt and I'm going to ask this agent to research and find me UGC ads that feature solo token-head creators talking about a bottle, a container, or just any similar product. And as you can see the full process where it breaks down all its thinking and how it's approaching this task. And after a few seconds, the agent actually returns outlier ads that is found on social media platforms. You can now see the actual videos, the view counts, the hook, the structure breakdown for each. And it might also say which formats this ad is and which format would likely work best for the product you've added here. And that's because picking a proven format is a lot better than having to guess what might work. Okay, so now we're ready for step 2. This is where we pick the winner and now we brief the agent how we want to create our ad. So I'm gonna pick the ad that fits my products best, and then I'm gonna ask Creatify's agent to build my version of that format. And then once you hit enter to confirm the format that you want to model, Creatify will then generate a full plan, script, avatar, and ideas that is going to create for you. What's really useful is that it'll also tell you the amount of credits that generating this full video will take as well. So if you're happy and you're ready to go, just hit enter and you're now ready for the next step. This is also why you really want to make sure that you're starting from a good ad format, because this saves you time from having to recreate ads that might not work. And after waiting a few minutes, you're now ready for step 3, which is where you let the agent build you the ad. Now, this part is very easy. You just watch it work. It kicks everything off at once. And then, as I said, it writes the script, creates the avatar, generates the voiceovers, and builds everything scene by scene and then stitches it all together. Also, the script that's being used here is Claude. So it reads like an actual real person, not generic AI slop. Now, of course, sometimes it might not come out perfect, but that's absolutely fine. You just go back into the chat and any kind of edits or optimizations or changes you want to make, you literally just speak to your chat and ask it to regenerate it for you. So in the opening scene, I didn't like how the handwriting, it just didn't look natural. So I'm going to ask Creatify agent to replace the opening scene with something else that looks a lot more natural. Having this ability to be able to really optimize any part of this ad really allows you to achieve a higher amount of accuracy when it comes to showing off your product and marketing it in the optimum way. And having features like this is something that you just don't get with cheaper AI ad tools.
I've had this Stanley for 2 years. Last week, they sent me a brand new one, completely free. Here's why. Stanley has a lifetime warranty. Most people don't know this. I filed a claim online and a brand new Quencher Pro Tour showed up at my door. Flip straw lid, ice cold for hours. Claim yours.
And now you're ready for step 4. Something that you might have noticed is that Creatify is really good at locking in your AI persona. So across the scenes and videos that it creates, it uses the same face, hair, and clothing across every scene. Also, one thing you want to do as well is make sure you're happy with the voice. You can reprompt the agent to adjust any voice settings. And if you want to add more emotion or try other avatar voices, you just have to type in a few quick prompts and it will do everything for you. On top of that as well, the agent runs its own quality check in the background. So it catches any morphs, any misspelled brand names, or any kind of weird drifting faces, and it'll regenerate itself as seen if it catches any mistakes. Again, this saves you a lot of time. Then once you have an ad that you're happy to work with, you can finally start scaling with different formats. For this one, I'm going to ask Creatify's agents to regenerate the same Stanley Cup product, but with new formats. I'm going to ask it for a street interview format, and then also a get ready with me format as well, because both are super popular on socials. One thing that's really useful is that Creatify actually already has these tuned formats within its database. So when it comes to the pacing, the opening scenes, it's already going to give you optimized examples. And if perhaps you want to test out different AI avatars, you can even reprompt it again to swap out the avatars to look a completely different way as well. With Creatify, you have so much flexibility with what's possible with AI ads.
There's something about Stanley that most people completely miss. They have a lifetime warranty, most people just don't claim it. I did. Got a brand new Quencher Pro Tour, flip straw, ice cold for hours.
Something just showed up that I need to tell you about while I get ready.
Stanley has a lifetime warranty, filed a claim, brand new Quencher Pro Tour showed up, flip straw lid, ice cold every single morning.
And as you can finally see within this folder, we now have a range of different ads that we can literally launch and post. In fact, that's step number 5, which is launching straight to the ad platforms. Either you can press the plus button in chat and open this in a project. And over here on the right-hand side, you can see that there's different copy to share links. You can share it direct with social media platforms, or you can download it as well if that's what you want. You can then also go back into projects, and I've got a folder here called Research UGC. And as we can see here, we've got the different ad formats that we want. And again, we have similar sharing and export settings. And that right there is the whole loop. Literally, we just used one product link, we did real competitor research, and we had a batch of realistic UGC ads and a direct path for us to launch these all for just a few dollars an ad. If you want to try Creatify for yourself, sign up using the link down below and test Creatify. You'll have enough credits to launch and test out your first few ads in literally minutes. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out this video for more gems.